So what's up, boys and girls? Few days ago only the results were declared, right? So there are two kinds of students, toppers and the average students. I'm not talking about below average students, because if you are not a topper, then all are average students, yeah. So I'll be talking about the toppers as well as the average students. And according to me, the average students are much more talented than the toppers. Every common topper has a common background, that is farming. Your grandpa was a farmer and all your ancestors were farmers, and you were so lucky that you got the scope of studying and you became a topper. Your life is set. You will always be privileged in India because you are a minor. You have reservation quotas like SC, ST, OBCs and all that, and your upcoming generations, 3 to 4 generations, all will be rich and no one will be farmer. Whereas an average student, he or she can be a farmer, and all their upcoming generations can be a farmer, because they are from general caste and they are not toppers. Toppers, they are born toppers. They are toppers from their childhood, and you can easily identify them. Wearing big spectacles and teeth coming outside, you can identify them easily. Toppers and their handwritings. Oh my god. 80% of the marks ওখান থেকেই আসে। মুক্তের মতো হ্যান্ডরাইটিং, crystal clear. And whereas average students, কতক্ষণে শেষ করবো ভাই? Toppers, they don't need any recreation, they don't need any entertainment. Because when they're tired of reading biology, when they're tired of reading the properties of transistors in physics, they just start doing maths. They start inventing the short procedures. They don't have any relation with their parents. They keep on studying and they just write it so that they can memorize more. They finish the ink of the respective pens very quickly. An average students, they do whatever they feel like. And now in an interview, they are saying that after studying 13 hours a day, 16 hours a day, they haven't expected this kind of result.
तुम्हारे जैसे लोग इस देश के लिए श्राप है। पहले सपने दिखाते हैं और फिर कहते कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
Toppers, they don't waste time. They do all the school works like practical works, report writing part in school itself. When there's a gap between the two teachers, they utilize that. You people keep on filling the forms of the random colleges. You people fill the forms of the high rated universities, moderate rated universities, and also the colleges which are located nearby your houses. And by you only the average students suffer a lot. প্রত্যেকটা কলেজে বুক করে রাখো নিজেদের নাম, যেখানে জানো যে কখনোই যাবে না ওই কলেজে ভর্তি হতে। And after getting the result, also you are not satisfied. You keep on getting the prizes from the school, from the state government, still you are not satisfied, yaar. You are jealous of the subject toppers. And the average students, they are happy with what they have got.
परेशान हो गए हम लोग।
An average student has much more potential than you guys, because your world is limited to studying. You guys learn, revise and practice, that's it. An average student does a lot of things. They know how to study late night and they submit the assignments just before the deadline. I think toppers would have been nothing except the average students. Average students don't study, that's why you top, yaar.